10 British watch brands you should know. British watchmaking rarely shouts for attention. It works quietly, patiently, and with an almost stubborn commitment to craft. While Switzerland dominates the global conversation, the United Kingdom has spent the past 2 decades rebuilding a serious horological identity rooted in heritage, engineering, and independent thinking. From historic names revived with care to modern makers producing world-class mechanical movements, British watches now sit confidently on the global stage. This guide to 10 British watch brands you should know focuses on the 10 names that most clearly represent that revival today. 10. Accurist. Accurist represents the everyday practical foundation of British watchmaking. Founded in London in 1946 by Asher and Rebecca Loftus, the brand rose to prominence during a period when Britain valued reliability and function above luxury. Accurist built its reputation by producing accurate, affordable watches that ordinary people could trust. The brand became a cultural fixture through its long-running association with the UK Speaking Clock service, which it sponsored for more than 2 decades. That relationship firmly positioned Accurist as a symbol of precision and dependability in British life. Today, Accurist remains accessible and recognisable. While modern production is global, the brand's British identity remains intact. Its role in watch history is not about innovation at the highest level, but about making reliable timekeeping part of everyday life. For many people in the UK, Accurist was, and still is, their first serious watch. 9. Duckworth Prestex. Duckworth Prestex occupies a careful space between documented heritage and respectful revival. The original Prestex name dates back to the early 20th century, with watches sold in Britain during the 1920s and 1930s. While full archival continuity is limited, the modern revival has been acknowledged by horological press as part of Britain's broader watch resurgence. The contemporary Duckworth Prestex brand focuses on vintage-inspired designs, particularly military-style field watches and classic dress pieces. These designs echo mid-century British aesthetics without attempting to recreate the past outright. What distinguishes Duckworth Prestex is restraint. Case sizes remain traditional, dials are uncluttered, and colour palettes are subdued. The brand does not claim uninterrupted history. Instead, it presents itself as a respectful continuation of an earlier British watchmaking spirit. That honesty has earned it credibility among collectors who value transparency as much as heritage. 8. Fairer. Fairer represents one of the clearest examples of modern British watch identity done right. Founded in 2015, the brand quickly distinguished itself through confident use of colour, strong storytelling, and well-judged proportions. Fairer watches are designed in Britain and assembled in Switzerland using Swiss mechanical movements. The brand's success lies in its balance. Fairer respects traditional watchmaking principles while refusing to be constrained by conservative aesthetics. Its watches feel playful without being novelty items, and distinctive without becoming loud. Fairer also takes technical execution seriously. Movement choice, finishing quality, and legibility meet the expectations of experienced enthusiasts. As a result, Fairer has become one of the most recognisable names in Britain's new wave of watchmaking, appealing to both newcomers and seasoned collectors. 7. Christopher Ward. Christopher Ward is one of the most influential British watch brands of the modern era. Founded in 2004, the company challenged traditional industry pricing by selling directly to consumers online, offering high-specification watches at comparatively accessible prices. Initially known as a disruptor, Christopher Ward later evolved into a fully established watchmaker. The development of proprietary mechanical movements marked a major shift, signalling long-term commitment to horology rather than short-term value positioning. Today, Christopher Ward produces a wide range of watches, from professional dive models to refined dress pieces. Its reputation rests on engineering credibility, transparent pricing, and consistent quality. The brand demonstrates that British watchmaking can grow, innovate, and compete internationally without losing integrity. 6. Marloe Watch Company. Marloe Watch Company brings a distinctly human and approachable character to British watchmaking. Based in Scotland, Marloe focuses exclusively on mechanical watches and produces them in limited quantities. Each release is accompanied by a clear narrative, often inspired by engineering, exploration, or natural landscapes. Rather than pursuing mass production, Marloe prioritizes connection. The brand communicates openly with its audience, explaining design choices and embracing the quirks of mechanical timekeeping. This transparency has helped foster strong loyalty among collectors. Design decisions reflect that philosophy. Case sizes remain wearable, dials emphasize clarity, and finishing avoids unnecessary embellishment. Marloe watches are meant to be worn daily, not kept behind glass. In doing so, the brand reinforces the idea that British watchmaking can be thoughtful, personal, and quietly confident. 5. Pinion Watch Company. Pinion Watch Company represents functional British watchmaking at its most disciplined. Producing small-batch mechanical watches, Pinion focuses on durability, legibility, and long-term ownership. Every design element serves a purpose. Pinion avoids trend-driven styling in favour of timeless proportions. The watches feel serious without being austere, practical without being dull. This balance appeals to collectors who want reliability and clarity rather than ornamentation. The brand positions its watches as long-term companions, pieces meant to be serviced, worn, and eventually passed down. In a market often driven by novelty, Pinion's emphasis on longevity and restraint aligns closely with traditional British engineering values. 4. Garrick. Garrick represents one of the most significant achievements in modern British horology: the return of high-end in-house watchmaking. Founded with the explicit aim of reviving traditional English techniques, Garrick designs and manufactures mechanical movements in Britain. The brand's watches often showcase their mechanics openly, using skeletonized dials and visible components to highlight craftsmanship. This transparency reflects confidence in execution rather than showmanship. Garrick operates on a small scale, allowing meticulous attention to detail. Each watch reflects hours of hand finishing and careful assembly. As a result, Garrick has played a key role in restoring international respect for English watchmaking at the luxury level. 3. Fears Watch Company. Fears Watch Company carries one of the oldest names in British watchmaking, originally founded in 1846. After a long period of dormancy, the brand was revived by a direct descendant of the founding family, ensuring continuity that goes beyond branding alone. Modern Fears watches are elegant and restrained, drawing on classical British design principles rather than overt vintage imitation. Proportions are carefully considered, and aesthetics prioritise balance and longevity. Fears places strong emphasis on customer relationships and long-term service. The brand positions its watches as lifetime companions rather than seasonal purchases. This philosophy resonates strongly with collectors who value continuity, heritage, and understated quality. 2. Roger W. Smith. Roger W. Smith is widely regarded as one of the finest living watchmakers in the world. Based on the Isle of Man, he produces an extremely limited number of watches each year, most of them made largely by hand using traditional methods. Smith was the only apprentice of George Daniels and continues that legacy through uncompromising craftsmanship. Each component is finished to an exceptional standard, and production times stretch into years rather than months. Owning a Roger W. Smith watch is not about visibility or status. It represents participation in a lineage of independent British horology defined by patience, precision, and mechanical purity. 1. George Daniels. At the very top sits George Daniels, the individual most responsible for restoring global respect for British watchmaking. Largely self-taught, Daniels revolutionised horology by inventing the coaxial escapement, one of the most important mechanical developments of the modern era. Beyond innovation, Daniels proved that a single watchmaker could design, manufacture, and finish an entire mechanical watch by hand. His philosophy challenged industrial norms and inspired a generation of independent watchmakers. George Daniels' influence continues today, shaping the ambitions and standards of modern British horology. Any discussion of 10 British watch brands you should know ultimately rests on the foundation he built. British watchmaking has rebuilt itself through patience, independence, and quiet excellence. From accessible household names to handcrafted masterpieces, these 10 brands show the depth and credibility of the modern scene. Together, they prove that 10 British watch brands you should know is not nostalgia. It is a living tradition. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.